welcome to another video that I've designed just for you, aerialists. And today we are going to work on releasing our hips. So again, this is just a mini video to try and have you release, relax, and maybe use as part of your cool down. I've made another video where you can have another general cool down that I do after my aerial classes, but this is a little bit more hip targeted. This is quite important if you feel like you want to release your hip flexors and your hamstring, but also maybe the outside of your hips. First, I want to make sure that I remind you to subscribe and share, comment, and just spread the good vibes to those who need more videos like this. I also want to thank the beautiful Nirjara Resort in Bali for letting me film in the beautiful shala. You might be hearing there is an actual waterfall behind me. Hopefully this will not distract you, but more enhance your relaxing experience. Let's dive in. Let's start into our mat. We are just going to need a mat today. And we're going to start just taking a right leg behind the left. We're going to take a nice and long high lunge first. You're going to press into the back foot, stretch into the ankle and lift the arms up. You're going to pulse through the hip, the right hip. I want you to also squeeze into your glutes here. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. And then slowly release the arms forward and press your fingertips onto the side of your left foot. Let's also bounce here. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1, and hold. Let's drop that knee, let's drop that foot. If you can, you have the option to tuck the toes back again. If you can, we are going to leave that foot here and lift onto the ankle, stretching here. 3, 2, and 1. Drop that knee back down. And now we're going to shuffle the left foot a little bit more forward. Good, so that increases that space. Taking your hands on the inside of the foot and then walking your hands a little bit more forward. Try and keep the left knee into your body. For 3, 2. Start slowing down your breath here. 1. Wonderful. Walking the hands back. This time we're going to start working on a hamstring. We're going to flex the foot. We don't want to push the knee. Again, my hypermobile babes, please try and avoid pushing straight into the knee. Keep that knee soft. Micro bend. And start pulling onto your hip back, like you want to slide the front heel backwards. You're actually pulling into the back of the leg. That tailbone wants to go all the way back. 1 more. Very nice. From here, we're going to press that foot, try and take a stretch. Try and align your hips a little bit more. And again, try and drag your tailbone back. Try and keep your back straight and the shoulders open. So as you can see, I'm not looking back here. I look forward. Nice. And then from here, bend the knee just a little bit, come back into a low lunge. And we're gonna try and pulse the front leg and back. So this time we work a bit more active. You got the option to let go of your hands or just alleviate the weight. Again, go as far as you can without hyperextending that knee. And then slowly hold here again. Try also see if you can press that right heel back and square those hips. Very nice. Press through the hands here. If you need to bend the knees to get that hand, we're gonna kick that left leg up now and open the left hip out. 3. Bend the knee as much as you need. 2. And 1. We're gonna bring that knee to the nose and slowly bring it onto the ground to stretch our pigeon. I like to hold it up first. Remember, this is to relax, yeah? I wanna relax. I can't really be moving too hard with that heat. It is very hot and humid today. And bring your arms and hold. I like that we got little towels as well. Probably will need some. Again, try and elongate your body, elongate your spine. Slowly gonna push back. Tuck the back of toes. Kick that foot behind. And then we're gonna come into downward dog just for a moment. And then we're gonna lift the right leg up. And we're gonna bring that foot forward. Bend the front knee. And come up, arms up. Now we're gonna do the same on the other side now. So again, high lunge, pulse. 4. And 3. Make sure you squeeze the glute. And 2. So you don't put everything onto your low back. And 1. We're gonna hold. Trying to make sure I'm not forgetting some bits in this flow. Bring the hands down. Pulse the hips. 4. And 3. And 2. And 1. Hold. Drop that knee down, drop that foot down, or keep the toes tucked. And lift. Hold for 4. And slowly down. Bring the hands on the inside into your lizard stretch. Hands a little bit more forward here. Ooh. You can come on your elbows, but what we want to try and avoid is rounding the back. I want you to open the chest and make that long line between your toes and the top of the head without pushing the foot out. Good. Take that foot a little bit more forward and start slowly taking yourself back. So if you have to come onto tippy toes, top of your fingertips, that's fine. Start flexing the foot slightly. You don't have to crazy flex, just a little bit. And really drag that hip and that heel behind you. Gentle little movement if you need to. Again, we're not pushing through the back of the knee. We're just feeling that gentle stretch on the back of the thigh. I feel like I'm shouting a lot because of the fountain, but you have, you team have my microphone, so you should actually be hearing me well. I don't have to shout. Slowly come, bend that knee again. Oh, wait, we've got to do the foot on the ground as well, stretching here. Pardon me. And then bend the knee. Tuck the toes. And then slowly we are going to do the active part here. So bend, flex, straighten the leg and bend the knee again. Straighten the leg and bend the knee again. Straighten the leg and bend the knee. 2 more. And last one. Again here, feel free to hold a little bit of a stretch. And again, gaze forward, square your hips. You can be on your fingertips, can bend the knee slightly if you struggle to touch the ground. And again, now I'm focusing as well on pushing my back heel down. And then bend the knee and slowly reach the foot up. Open that foot out. Open that hip. Oh, it feels so good. And then we're gonna bring that knee into the nose and drop that leg into high pigeon first, release. And then palm a little bit lower, keeping that spine and that line straight. Beautiful. Slowly coming back up. Let yourself tuck the toes again. Push into your down dog. And then slowly bring both feet forward. Shake your head, shake your body, let yourself release. Woo. And slowly rise up. Shaking the feet, shaking the legs. And that's it. Well done, everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this wonderful session. I hope that you enjoyed the beautiful surrounding. Beautiful surrounding. And I will see you again in the next video. Make sure, one more time, thank you for joining me, and share this far and wide with your fellow aerialists or non-aerialists that might need some hip release today. Thank you and see you later. Bye.